Welcome back to Almighty Sports. First of all, wish you all a very Merry Christmas. I hope Merry रहे इंडिया के लिए भी. Of course, ऑस्ट्रेलिया को भी हम विश कर लेते हैं. विश करने में क्या जा रहा है. लेकिन भिड़ंत हो रही है बॉक्सिंग डे टेस्ट में. MCG, this is the vibes that we are discussing about. जब हम बात करें बॉर्डर गावस्कर ट्रॉफी में, it is 1-1 midway through the series. Yes, बारिश बहुत आई थी, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं to the end of that match in Brisbane, let's be real, इंडिया को थोड़ा मोमेंटम मिल गया है. लेकिन इस गेम में कौन है फेवरेट, क्या हो गई मैचअप्स एज वेल एज क्या होगी स्टार्टिंग 11, प्लस ब्रेकिंग न्यूज आया है विद चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी, हमें वो भी डिस्कस करना है फॉर श्योर, द शेड्यूल, द वेन्यूज एंड व्हाट नॉट. लेकिन सबसे पहले हिट दैट लाइक बटन, डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब एंड हिट दैट बेल आइकॉन. हम यहाँ पर वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं फॉर गॉड नोज आफ्टर व्हेन, लेकिन उसके लिए मैं सोचा बेस्ट पर्सन टू हैव इन द पैनल इज ऑफ कोर्स हरीश एंड ओजी भाई. हरीश, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वेलकम. Merry Christmas to you as well, Harish.
Thank you so much.
Excitement for MCG. Old wise 80,000 crowd rahega. A lot of Indians are expected at the MCG stadium. Melbourne has always given us a good kind of a output in terms of India recently. लेकिन Melbourne वो नहीं रहा है जो रहता था कुछ सालों पहले. Things have changed. Relayed surface etc. What are you expecting?
For once, I'm expecting a lot of fire this time. मतलब the stakes are so high for both the teams. And I think for a change, the media narratives etc. have been spent off perfectly. Boxing day के लिए perfectly set up हुआ है. It can't get better. Both the teams suddenly don't like each other. IPL contracts के बारे में बात नहीं हो रहे हैं. There's nothing like that. And the Boxing Day vibe आ रहा है. Especially the series being at proper 1-1. It can go either which ways, right? So they have not won the last 4 World Cup trophies against us. So I'm very excited.
Big match भाई दोनों साइड्स के लिए एब्सोल्युटली, क्योंकि यार सिनेरियो ये है, वर्ल्ड टेस्ट चैंपियनशिप इज समथिंग दैट वी आर ऑल प्लेइंग फॉर. वहां पर फाइनल में जाने के लिए वी नो दैट वी हैव टू बीट ऑस्ट्रेलिया 3-1. ऑस्ट्रेलिया को पता है कि भाई यहाँ पर हार नहीं सकते. कहीं ना कहीं टेक्निकली श्रीलंका, पाकिस्तान एक्सेट्रा का चांस है, बट दैट इज ओनली थियोरेटिकल. इट्स बिटवीन साउथ अफ्रीका, इंडिया और ऑस्ट्रेलिया. साथ साथ में साउथ अफ्रीका, पाकिस्तान भी खेल रहे. पाकिस्तान हैव गॉट अ व्हाइट वॉश ओवर देम, रिमेंबर, इन द ODI. सो यू नेवर नो, जस्ट नेवर नो, दैट माइट बी अ सिल्वर लाइनिंग. लेकिन फर्स्ट थिंग फर्स्ट, ऑब्वियसली ऑस्ट्रेलिया को 1-0 बाकी के मैचेस में जीतना है, या बेसिकली 2-0 फॉर देम टू काइंड ऑफ हैव मोर कॉन्फिडेंस. बट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अश्विन रिटायरिंग, और यहीं पर टॉक ऑफ द टाउन मीडिया पर आएंगे. लेकिन उससे भी पहले ये हो रहा है कि भाई रोहित शर्मा और विराट कोहली, these two test matches are probably like the test matches in the career वाला सीन है. Of course, Virat Kohli has scored Melbourne में century. I remember 2014 was it? I remember he did very well then. But अभी last 3 innings में he has not got it right outside the off stump. How do you think that will work out? और रोहित शर्मा को क्या देखते हो, किस पोजीशन में खेलना बेस्ट होगा उनके लिए, जो उन्होंने अवॉइड किया था प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस?
I think I'll answer the Rohit Sharma one first, which is with what KL Rahul has shown, there's no chance he's opening the innings for us, because you really don't want to be under the pressure very early. KL has shown so much class up top. He's given that reassurance कि Indian openers है who can stay for a long time. So Rohit looks like he's going to bat down the order.
और obviously यशस्वी जायसवाल को तो वन डाउन आने का मतलब बनता नहीं है. Youngster, and I don't think you want to change him, as what Rohit Sharma himself has admitted.
Correct. Also, I think it could be one of the most crucial test matches Virat and Rohit play in their careers, right? It's literally down because India as a country has always been a bit reactionary when something drastic happens. So if we lose out on WTC final, the entire management could set up something completely different going forward. So, pata nahi, that might definitely play in their minds. And knowing our coach Gambhir, he's not shy from taking really tough calls. That is going to play in their minds. And also, all the news around Virat Kohli is that he's been playing very well in the practice. So I'm kind of very confident. And but Australia are kind of dishing out a green top again. So
भाई वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ, पिच फिक्सिंग हो रही क्या, मतलब हो क्या रहा है यहाँ पर? यस गाइस, प्रैक्टिस के बात करते हुए मतलब सुनने में आ रहा है दैट प्रैक्टिस मैचेस, जो प्रैक्टिस पिचेस है रादर, दैट फॉर ऑस्ट्रेलिया हैज बीन लाइक प्रॉपर टेस्ट मैच में जो आप एक्सपेक्ट करते हो फ्रेश पिचेस, वो दिए गए इन द लास्ट कपल ऑफ डेज. लेकिन जस्ट यस्टरडे जब प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस हुआ तब रोहित शर्मा ने बोला दैट आज बेसिकली यस्टरडे यू शुड बी एक्सपेक्टिंग देम टू प्रैक्टिस ऑन अ फ्रेश टॉप. लेकिन बाकी 2 दिन में जब हम प्रैक्टिस किए थे मेलबर्न में, दोज वर ऑन BBL वाले मैचेस में जो यूज किए गए हैं. तो आई डोंट नो, इट्स डेफिनेटली गेम्समैनशिप बोलोगे, लेकिन साथ में ऑफ फील्ड ये भी हुआ है. रविंद्र जडेजा का इंटरव्यू, बेसिकली दे वांटेड टू हिम नॉट टू गिव इन हिंदी एंड दे वर सरप्राइज कि इंग्लिश में क्यों नहीं दिया, लेट आया एक्सेट्रा. आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज ट्रू, व्हाट इज नॉट. आई थिंक, व्हाट इज योर टेक ऑन द एंटायर थिंग? फर्स्ट द पिक्चर्स एंड देन ऑब्वियसली obviously Ravindra Jadeja can speak in any language he wants. I don't think he's there to give interviews. He's there to play cricket, right?
Correct. I'll go with the pitches one first, which is Australia trying to gain every inch they can possible. They're really making sure they are in very uncomfortable territory. And पिछले 4 बार तो whenever you put us in uncomfortable territory, we have come on top, boys. Come on, so I'm not really worried. If it gets the Indian squad fired up, I'm more than happy. Because this is not the same Indian team which used to get intimidated. Now these guys know that they're the big dogs out there. The other thing is, who's setting these norms? Like, you have to give an interview in English, right? Who's giving these norms?
I think they're just playing with the minds of
Exactly.
Indian media, I guess, more or less.
Exactly.
Indian team don't care.
And that narrative around like they can't really speak English. Come on, we don't give a damn shit. I mean, बात करेंगे हम लोग हिंदी में बात करना तो कर सकते हैं. So
अब तो मैं श्योर हूँ भाई कि वो ट्रैविस हेड ने जो बोला था ना, सिराज ने बोला वही बोला है. मतलब honestly, this is seeming to be a very Australian kind of a mindset, which again they have done well over the years with. But I also totally agree with you. This is like all मतलब crap, simple as that. लेकिन at the end of the day, मतलब आप देखो तो them giving a debut, yet another. I think Sam Constance को बोल दिया है. I think Andrew McDonald ने that it's pretty obvious that he's going to play. McSweeney, I thought did actually negate that new ball very well. I thought at least in terms of just staying वाला चीज. लेकिन again, what 20-year-old if I'm not wrong, काफी young है. Under 19 में हमने देखा था in the World Cup as well. I think he did well. But what do you think? मतलब what is the idea वहाँ पर कि giving a new person a chance along with maybe Josh Hazelwood missing, Boland playing instead of him. तो the composition of Australia जो change हो रही है, what is your take?
I think with respect to the opener, McSweeney के लिए they definitely have no faith because Bumrah got his number very clearly. Sam Constance पे they're definitely taking a punt. They're like दूसरा इनसे तो run आ ही नहीं रहा है, तो might as well take a punt on a 19-20-year-old. Also, Australia did something very similar with David Warner back. With someone with very less first-class history, they just put him under the fire, and he went on to be a huge star, right? So they're just taking a punt.
I think so. They might go the attacking way. You're trying to say basically opening this time around.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Also, between Matthew McSweeney and Khwaja, even Khwaja hasn't fared really well this year.
Correct.
He has failed in the last 3 Test matches, so they had to change something up front. And sadly, it had to be McSweeney. That's the case. With respect to Scott Boland, he debuted in MCG and had that beautiful match figures. So it might look very much home ground for him as well. And he's a very scary bowler to me because he just pitches in the right length to frustrate us into playing such false shots. So yeah, that's the case with Scott.
No coincidence that there's a green top expected. लेकिन
correct.
देखो MCG में bounce होती है लेकिन not as much as maybe Adelaide or definitely not a Perth, right? Or of course Brisbane as well to some extent. तो वहाँ पर हमारे चेंजेस में बॉलिंग लाइनअप में अगेन सिराज इतने पेनिट्रेटिव नहीं लगे, although he gives it his all, and थोड़ा बहुत fatigue लगे like we spoke the other day. Would you kind of do a like for like with him going out and maybe one of Prasidh Krishna or Harshit Rana coming back, or would you say कि क्योंकि MCG SCG is towards the latter part of the year, New Year's, जहां पर 4th or 5th day में थोड़ा सा टर्न हो सकता है depending on the conditions, you might pick a Washington Sundar or maybe Tanush Kotian who's come in, remember, और वो भी सरप्राइज था क्योंकि कुलदीप यादव, one would argue that a leg spinner should have been there, लेकिन जो मैं बोल दिया है रोहित शर्मा ने, उसके पास वीजा नहीं था भाई कुलदीप भाई के पास. लेकिन I believe Akshar Patel was the first choice but he wasn't available because he's got a new member in the family, right? So congratulations to him. लेकिन how do you see मतलब a extra spinner coming in or maybe a pacer, या maybe Nitish Reddy, it'll be harsh for him to be left out, but is it a case for a 4th fast bowler to come in proper?
I think sadly we'll have to look at this test as a part of a WTC cycle and not a part of this cycle, this test series. This test series is important, but हमें 20 wickets चाहिए ideally to win this game. It's not about drawing it and taking it to Sydney, right? Having said that, so we really need 5 bowlers. There's a slight chance Nitish Kumar Reddy might get unlucky and get dropped, and we might play in 2 spinners instead. Jadeja, especially when Jadeja showed so much class with his batting. Jadeja and Sundar just getting left arm and right arm off spin, and then the 3 fast bowlers. I think the management will back Siraj for exactly one more test. They're going to give him that एक extra test match to really showcase his skills. So there's a good chance Nitish Kumar Reddy might sit out this one. And that's the only change I foresee.
Wow. Tough one, but वही आपने सही बोला कि more important is reaching the WTC final or giving yourself the best chance. Not that can't say Bumrah is an all-rounder, right? Latest बोले तो along with Akashdeep. So it'll help, but हाँ. बैटिंग में भाई नो चेंजेस. मैंने पोल डाला था गाइस, लेकिन गिल इज गोइंग टू स्टे. इट्स वेरी क्लियर. रोहित शर्मा के प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में आई डोंट थिंक जुरेल इज कमिंग इन. अनफॉर्चुनेट बट दैट्स हाउ इट इज. बट टॉकिंग अबाउट अनफॉर्चुनेट, शुड वी से that Pakistan are unfortunate कि भाई hybrid model accept करना पड़ा. Probably we Indians will say no, but Champions Trophy का भी हमें quickly बात करना है. Quick reaction. By the way, Harish basically stays in that part of the world. So Harish, excited basically to see India matches possibly there. India का group, by the way, is not very easy. Not that any group is easy. So what are you giving India's chances? ODI format में it might be the last that we see very much of the stalwarts.
Correct. I'm very happy because it's been a while since I've seen Virat and Rohit play, and सारे matches Dubai में हो रहे हैं, which is home for me. And I think it might, like you mentioned, it might be the last for Jadeja, Rohit, Virat. Who knows? Possibly. Compared to the other group, we're slightly blessed with an easier group, I might say, with Bangladesh being there. I reckon Afghanistan a much stronger team than Bangladesh, to be honest.
Agreed.
Of late.
Totally agreed.
So it's a 3-horse race between India, New Zealand, and
Pakistan are the main hosts after all, so it's not going to be easy. And they are playing their matches at home. India is the only country which is playing in Dubai against Bangladesh, Pakistan, New Zealand. Pakistan का बड़ा मैच है 23rd February को. उससे 3 दिन पहले हम बांग्लादेश के साथ खेल रहे हैं और 2nd March को न्यूजीलैंड. Semi-finals will be on 4th March. 2 of each group go into the semi-finals. So let's hope we get there. Remember, Champions Trophy was cancelled last time around because of COVID, and this is a long time. हमें पता है बदला लेना है Champions Trophy में पाकिस्तान के साथ. We all remember that. Cannot forget that. So we'll build up to that a lot more towards initial part of next year. क्योंकि हाँ, Happy New Year and advance future. लेकिन happy होगा कि इस टेस्ट मैच में नहीं. Before going by, let's have a prediction. क्या बोलते हो यार हरीश? We will get to 2-1 come the SCG, or it's going to be difficult again considering that as much as the Indian crowd है वहाँ पर, Australian crowd at the end of the day will be more as well, right, at the MCG?
No, I think I'm fairly confident again. Also, they have pushed us too much to the wall, so they're going to bear the brunt of it. मजा आएगा.
Fair point. Great to have Harish. आप लोग भी अपना comments डालिएगा, and of course let us know if you want us to come during the test match. If not, we'll be there afterwards.